So if we meet the color offset overlap problem, so we need to do the calibration on print selection to left, overlap adjust, and to right, overlap adjust, and the bad selection, overlap adjust. So first we need to open a file for test. So we go to open the control system. We open the file, and we find out a file named color offset calibration file. This file you can find out from the USB flash that go with machine delivery, with the folder named Gadget test print file. And we choose the file with PLN format, and then we open it. And this file with 8 color, that means this file with white ink and color ink together. So then we go to setting and extend it. From here, we can see they have numbers. First, the print model. This is the printing wave for electricity to drive the ink job less size printing. So you choose the column, choose the right print model to match with your ink, soft ink or hard UV ink or soft UV ink. And then here we can see they have overlap to left, overlap to right. And overlap to left is named print under to left. And white varnish is 0. 0 is gray, cannot change. That means the 0, we do all the parameter adjust according to white ink print head as standard. And the color print head, right now the number is 1356. And head 3 is 0, head 4 is 0, because the COM budget, we only put 2 print head, white and color. So head 3 and head 4, we keep as default. Then here is the number for overlap to right. It's not means overlap to right on the picture, but we need to adjust print under to right to adjust this number. So the white varnish also 0, no change. Color like this, 1357, and head 3, head 4 also keep as default by 0. So how to adjust it? And also here have overlap vertical. Print first one is 0, and print 2 here 0 means white print head vertical, and 355 is for vertical on color. So we keep white print head no change, and we change the number on color to be sure it's no overlap. So let's start. So first we need to do the adjust by to left. So first we must choose to left. And please remember, if you choose here print by to left, but you change the number by to right, so the number we are not using, they're not working. So if here you choose to left, so we change the number to left after we print. And if you choose print to right, so we just change the number here back to right. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. First, we choose to left print, and not change like default, and we choose the file, and we set the margin, and then we go to print. And also we need to open the white ink. And then the machine starts to print. So we can see the machine start to print the white layer first, then print the color layer on the top. You need to open the UV control box. Okay, after print, let's see. So this after print, we can see the white ink overlap. That means the color need to move to left. And also on vertical, there's a little bit white ink overlap to at the front, the bottom side, like this overlap, but not cover fully. So we need to go to the software and do some setting. Okay, then we go to software and we go to setting, and because right now we print back to left before, so we need to change the number back to left. Because the white ink is overlapped to left, so we need to increase the number. But how much we need to increase, we can try by 2 or 1 for each time to try if this can be covered. So for example, right now we put increase 5, or we put 1361 back to left. And vertical also a little bit, but not too much. So we can increase a little bit. So we're going to put increase 1 by 6. And then we go to the history list and we choose the file, but right click to add to print job by same file. Again, we change the number here, we increase 1, we increase the file, and we increase the 1 here. And also we choose print to left to confirm again. Then we choose, but we need to set the margin. For example, we put this number and this picture is 30 millimeter, so we put 30 millimeter. So will be, and with the gap will be 55, or we can be a bit bigger by 60. Then we go to print again. So we can see the second one after we print. Let's see. So we can see the print result. This is before number. After we change overlaps, no problem. A little bit, we just need to reduce 1 number, increase 1 number again for to left, and the vertical also reduce 1 number again. So this is the procedure to adjust to left. So after we did adjust to left, then we can do calibration for to right. So we go to software again, and we go setting, and we first choose print selection to right, here back to right, and we change the number to right. But right now we don't know if it's okay or not. Actually, to left to right we are not different too much. But now we just to check if this number is okay. And so we just print under this 57. So set the margin by 100, and we go to print again. They print the white ink layer first, they print the color on the top. Okay, so after print by to right, we can see the print out result. The last one. Here we can see the white ink overlap to left by print to right selection, but the vertical is okay, just to right. So we need to change the number on the software. So we go to software and setting, and we find out this number. So this number have an overlap to white ink overlap to left. So we need to increase the number. Let's try 1, 3, 6, 2. And vertical is okay, so we just keep as default, no change. So to right, we change the number to right. And then we choose the file and print again. And we change the white margin by 140. And print. Okay, after print, we can see the last print. We can see the first print is overlap to left, and after adjust is cut, it's not overlap. And then to right, we adjust the number, not overlap, and all squares are exactly matched. So that means it's no problem. So this is the procedure to adjust the color offset by vertical and horizontal, by to left and to right. If you get this overlap to left, no problem, and overlap to right, no problem, then if you print it by faster speed, by bidirection, you can get the best printer solution and quality. Okay, thank you.